Hi, I'm Shree, and in this video, I am going to teach you guys how to add a free live chat app using Shopify Inbox sales channel. So let's start. Let's go to apps and sales channel settings. Let's open Shopify App Store. Here, Shopify Inbox is already showing in recommended searches, but if you want, you can search on this bar as well. Let's add app, and it is installed and already working. Let me show you. You can see that live chat is already here. Let's open it. Here we have it. Now let's do some editing. So let's change the color first to suit our theme. Let me pick this color from here. Let's paste it here. We can also change the text shown here. You can make any editings. Like, see, changes are already done. Let's not do that for now. The amazing thing is that it is absolutely free, and we can also set instant replies, or we can also add quick replies to select any when we want to send them. So let's go to first reply. Let's turn it on. You can also set active hours here. Like if you work from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. it is fine. But if you work from like 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. you can select that as well. You can select timings for every day separately. So let's save it. You can also select your time zone. Like let's select for London. Save. So you have two replies here which will be sent automatically. One is reply that is shown when someone contacts you in your active hours. So you can edit that reply here, make any changes you want. This is the reply that is sent when someone contacts you out of the activated hours. So you can edit that as well. You can also select instant answers, like if I make it visible and someone asks this question, this answer will be sent automatically. And like this, it will be shown here as well. Let me enable some others. Let's make it visible. Let's make this one visible as well. You can also set quick replies here. You can save them and send whenever someone sends a related query. So let's go to home. Let's reload it. You can see that the color has been changed. And our instant answers are also showing here. Let's send a message. And auto reply was sent automatically. So that's all you have to do on Shopify site. You can also go to Inbox, view your messages, and reply any messages from here directly. You will have to log in from your Shopify account. It is a long. You can also click this button to view your messages and reply any messages from this computer. And you can also install this app in your Android or iPhone and reply to customers directly from there. You can see that it is available in Google Play Store as well as Apple App Store. So you can install it, log in using your Shopify account, and reply whenever you want. That's all. Let's change the color first to